Hello everyone, welcome back with another video on my YouTube channel Tech Info 101. So basically today we will talk about the best affordable life insurance in the UK. So we help you to identify the best affordable life insurance policy for you, which type of life insurance is best and how to accurately compare the cost. We also tell you the best place to compare life insurance quotes to get the cheapest life insurance premiums. Not all life insurance policies are same and provide different kinds of financial support for specific needs. So it is a vital to know the different types of policies as well as understand the difference between each life insurance providers. 1 minute summary: best affordable life insurance in UK. Price comparison sites only show generic prices, but these are liable to increase once your application is assessed by the insurance company. Number two, different insurance companies uh, are better for some people than others due to how they assess the risk you pose. Number three, the easiest way to find the best and cheapest life insurance policy and get up to €100 cashback is to complete this form, and I will provide the link in description and get free advice from the independent life insurance expert. So we will read full article. I will read full article for you. So let's start for reading the full article. What is life insurance and how does it work? What is life insurance? Life insurance is a contract between an individual and an insurance company where in the event of death a lump sum is usually paid to the insured deceased estate. Life insurance works in different ways depending on the type of policy that you buy, but usually the life insurance contract runs for an agreed period of time called the term. Term life insurance policy usually includes the terminal illness benefit, which allows the insured person to make an early death claim if they are diagnosed with that terminal illness. You can usually claim if your medical consultant can confirm that you are unlikely to live longer than 12 months. The insurance company will charge a monthly premium for the specified level of the life cover. How much the life insurance premium is will be determined by how much the insurer pays off if you make a claim, how long you will be covered, and the insurance company's assessment of your application including your age, occupation, and medical history. Quite simple, the greater the chances of premature death, the higher your premium will be. A life policy that insures only a single person, often called a single life insurance policy, will stop once a claim is made or the term expires, whichever is earlier. Most life insurance policies only have a valuable in the event of claim. They cannot be cashed in, much like car insurance. It is possible to buy a life insurance policy on a joint life basis, which means that policy will insure the lives of more than one person. In this instance, the policy can be set up as joint life first death or joint life second death, which determines at which point the policy pays out. What type of life insurance policies are available? Level term insurance, where the amount of life insurance covered providers remains level throughout the term of policy, at the end of which the life cover will cease. This type of policy is ideal for paying off an interest only mortgage in the event of death. Number two, decreasing term insurance, also referred to as a mortgage protection insurance, where the level of life insurance reduces over the term of policy, at the end of which life cover will cease. This type of cover is ideal for covering the outstanding debt on the repayment mortgage. Number three, increasing term insurance, where the life insurance policy provided and premiums increase annually over the term of policy to keep the cover in line with inflation. And I think it's number five, whole of life insurance, sometimes referred to as life insurance, where life insurance is provided for the whole of a person's life and will pay out in the event of death whenever that occurs. Often there is an investment element to to a whole of the policy. Number 6, over 50s life insurance. A term insurance policy for people aged 50 and over. There is no underwriting, meaning you are granted to be accepted. Number next, family income benefit. A term insurance policy where a monthly amount is paid instead of a lump sum in the event of death. As the total payment would be less than with the term of insurance policy, the premiums will be usually less. And we talk about the next, serious illness cover. This is like a critical illness cover, but where the size of lump sum paid in the event of a claim will vary depending on the severity of the illness. Often serious illness insurance will cover more critical illness than ordinary critical illness covers. Convertible term insurance, a term insurance policy that can be converted to a whole life policy if required during the term. Renewable term insurance, a term insurance policy with an option to renew the policy at the end of the term without the need of a health review. Joint life insurance, most life insurance policies can be arranged on a joint life basis where a lump sum is payable in the event of the death of one's life insured. This type of life insurance is usually cheaper than two individual policies as there is only ever one lump sum payable. Who should get life insurance and is it worth it? Who needs life insurance depends on their individual circumstances. Below I list those people who should consider it and why they would have life insurance. People with dependents. Life insurance is a vital part of financial planning for anybody with dependents to ensure they are provided for should you die. People with mortgages or other debts. Anybody with a mortgage should have life insurance cover to pay off the mortgage debt and other debts in event of premature death as a bare minimum. People who run business owners. People who run simply we will talk about people who run businesses. Business owners should consider life insurance cover to protect the business in the event of premature death of a key person in the organization. This would have provided lump sum to keep the business going well while you employ as a replacement. Next we will talk about the people who are shareholders in business and people whose estate will be liable for inheritance tax. Things to be in mind. Premiums for a term insurance policy are inexpensive and normally well within the reach of most families' budget. Age, medical history, and lifestyle may affect the cost of life insurance, so it makes sense to arrange life insurance early in life before any medical problems develop to keep the premiums low. And we will be back in our next video. If you have enjoyed my video, you can subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Info 101.